Hey guys, a local musician has purchased one of these kit bodies. I didn't make it, but I am accommodating him to put the pickups in and electronics and what have you, including his trim. But I wanted to make this video today because of the pull route. I made a custom little template here that is 3.5 inches wide and about 5 inches deep. This body is slightly smaller than a regular Telecaster, so I kind of had to somewhat eyeball it, and if some adjustments need to be made, it's really not a big deal. So what I'm going to do is we're going to do the double-sided tape trick with the super glue. We're going to tape on this template, and I also made this template just a little bit longer so that way the plastic from my router can move around just a bit. So this was the reason why I made this a part of my dust collection system. Not only is this my router table, but when I want to route pull routes, for an example, I've got at least a suction area of taking these chips and not making a huge mess. Into the future, you'll see some additions to the system to make it more optimal for sucking out the dust and chips or what have you. So subscribe for that. We'll be testing out a few things. I got some ideas and we're going to see what works. So I'm going to secure this onto this body, and then we're going to take a little bit out just with the drill press so that we don't have to use a router bit on the whole pull route. Makes it just a little easier. You certainly want to get it really, really close, but pull routes don't have to be super on the money, mainly because this will have a pickguard over top and it's going to cover it. We just want to make sure that is as close to the center as possible. And I think we'll get that. So now that I've penciled in the lines, I can put the accommodating pieces of tape. I just like these little Harbor Freight super glues because it's like it's per project. So piece of tape down, we put a bead of super glue around, we have tape on this side, and then we basically just line it up. Okay. Now you can also use accelerator, but I don't know, just not in a hurry. So I've set the drill bit to stop at about 1/2 inch. So we'll take out a lot of the material and then we'll let the router pretty much do the rest of the work. So I've got a 3/4 inch blade, even though I'm probably gonna have to use the 1 inch, but I'm just gonna start taking this down, and yeah, let's do this. All right, so there you have it. Should be at the desired depth, 3/4 inch. That's how you do a pull route. Pretty excited about doing something different. Well, not my guitars, but we'll just do a couple control cavity cuts on the drill press, connect them for some wires, input jack, and this guy's ready to go. So thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of work, and there will be a whole bunch more videos because of your support. So thank you so much, and go build yourself a guitar. Have a great day.